Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of this dig. If you haven't seen part 1, check it out. Tony's Tractor Adventure. In part 1 we got through about 25 foot of this water line, and we run through quite a few surprises. We dialed 811 like we were supposed to, and everything was marked out. Well, this is a 100-year-old house, and we ran into some copper lines that at first we thought were gas lines, but turns out they were old water lines. Now we were getting real close to the sewage drain that was marked out for us, but right before we got to that, this is where we're at now. We run into something solid. We come to the conclusion after talking a bit that when they hooked this house up to city sewer several years ago, that they dug right through the center of the old septic tank, and what we were running into were solid pieces of this septic tank. At this point, we didn't know how big this was, how deep it was, how far around we were going to have to dig around it, or if we could dig around it, or if we could dig through it. So we just decided to start taking the top of the dirt off of it and go from there. I'll have to admit I had the best seat in the house. There was a lot of unknowns here. We didn't know exactly where the sewer line was. The guy marked it going straight out. But we had a lot of solid stuff here, and we found an old cast iron pipe there too. So we were being real careful. But after being careful and digging out with some shovels, we thought it'd be better to go ahead and dig all this old stuff up that was left over from the sewer. There's the first piece of the old cast iron pipe that went to the old retired septic system. Looks like we're going to have to pull that old septic tank out one piece at a time. This is where it starts to get real, where the water line that goes into the house and also the gas line is right in this area. I tried my hardest to stay away from that shovel, but it found its way into my hands. This was just as sticky and mucky on the shovel as it was the backhoe. We finished up this trench while Derek went and picked up some more plumbing pipes, and this is when we got reassigned to a new job. After we so carefully avoided the rose bushes, my sister decided it was time for them to go. Old Duke Dog was speechless. Dalton finished carrying off the topsoil from the old rose garden just about time for lunch. You know I ain't gonna miss no lunch. Y'all stay tuned for part 3 and we'll wrap this thing up.